Today we will discuss on HTML BR tag or break tag, HTML HR tag means horizontal role tag, and HTML formatting tags. Okay. In previous sessions we had already covered HTML heading, that is H1 to H6 tag, HTML structure, how to create the simple static web page and how it run in the web browser, HTML editors, HTML elements tag, empty elements, HTML is not a case sensitive, and HTML overview. If you have not yet covered the previous sessions video, you should go for that video first and then come back that session so that you able to understand what is going on right now. I have already added the previous sessions video in my descriptions box. You may check it now. We start HTML break statement first. What is HTML break? HTML break tag. This tag is used for break the line. What is HTML HR tag? This tag is used for the draw a line separator between the two content or paragraph. Okay. And HTML formatting tag. In HTML, following types of tag are involved in HTML format tag. First of all is HTML bold tag. Here look, the word is bold. Here is the word is bold. Okay. In the first letter of the bold, consider as a tag B with angular bracket and some content and closing with /b tag. This total thing is called HTML but elements, and this is called the bold tag. Okay. Similar for the HTML italic tag. Here look, the first character of this italic word, okay, I is considered as a what? As a tag of italic. Same things like bold tag, we write I tag with angular bracket and some content and ending with I tag. And same for underline tag, use the first letter underline as a U, consider as a tag, or underline tag, U as a consider as starting tag, / you consider as ending tag, and some content are there. Same for the superscript. In superscript, three character from this word superscript consider as a super tag or SUP. So same like write SUP with angular bracket, content and ending with SUP. Same for subscript tag. Okay, first three letter or first three character of the superscript considered as a superscript tag, SUB, content and / symbol sub. In HTML strike tag, the total word considered as a tag strike, content and same with / letter strike. In HTML small tag, total word considered as a tag is small. Small is a starting tag, content and ending tag is small here. HTML big tag. Similarly for small, we write some big tag with angular bracket. This is called the starting big tag, and ending big tag is here, and content are there. Okay, this is the theoretical. Okay, so let's go for practical. This HTML formatting and HTML break statement and horizontal tag or horizontal tag. Okay, now let's go for practical on that. Okay, here look, this is the file I have already created, demo.html. Here I write the HTML code. I increase the font size so that you able to visible all these things. Okay, here look, what is the HTML structure I have already covered. Look like doc type HTML and starting root element HTML, ending with HTML. Okay, and then inside the HTML we write head tag and closing head tag. Okay, title, inside the title we just write HTML formatting and HR and BR tag documents. Okay, in body part is the main part to display in the web browser. Okay, here look, first of all I write some content or content put inside the paragraph. Let's okay alright. So here look, I just copy this line, okay, only for this line for now, and just copy and paste here. Okay, here look, my paragraph is a lorem ipsum is simple domain text for the printing and types setting. Okay, just save this file and go for run this HTML. But out the file is here. Okay, here look, this is the demo.html 1 KB, and when I double click, it show in the browser right here. Lorem ipsum is a simple domain text, the printing and TypeScript. And here look, and then go to the HTML structure code. Here look, suppose I want to break the line from here. Lorem ipsum is simply from here I want to break the line, means this thing should be below, just like I want to like that. Means lorem ipsum is simple, is a single line, domain text, printing and TypeScript is a, it should be second line. I want to just like that. How can we do that? We use br tag, but we use the br tag after the simple, because we want to what, after the simple word we move the domain text of the printing and type settings content should be below the lorem ipsum is a simple, right, content. Similarly, for save this file and then go to the browser and then refresh this page again. What is the output here? Lorem ipsum is a simple and domain text, the printing and TypeScript is below the lorem ipsum is simple content. Okay, this is the reason we use the break statement. So what is the meaning of the break statement? But break tag or break statement or break tag is used for, this tag is for the break the line. Here this is my original line. Okay, P is the original line. Okay, here I break the line. Okay, so now we will look for horizontal rule. Okay, this is the P tag, this is this is paragraph first. Okay, and this is the paragraph, this is paragraph second. Okay, suppose I save this file and run again this file. Here look, this is the two paragraph, this is the paragraph first and this is the paragraph second. I want to show how horizontal rule show. Okay, in between these two paragraphs just write hr tag. What? hr tag, horizontal rule tag. Okay, here look how the output here. Just refresh this page. Here look, this is the line, this is called what? This is the what? This is the horizontal lines in between these two paragraphs. This is the first, this is the paragraph first, this is the paragraph second. This is called the horizontal rule. Okay, now we go for HTML formatting. HTML formatting. Suppose I write some paragraph. Suppose I write first what, bold tag. This is bold tag. Okay, this is bold tag is optional, you can change according to you. Okay, suppose I save this file and run again. What is the output? This is the bold tag. Okay, this font size is different from paragraph. Similar for italic tag, I tag use, this is italic tag I, and run again, this is italic tag. Suppose I want to use the BR tag here look, this is bold tag, this is the italic tag, it is a single line. I want to separate the bold tag and the italic tag. What we'll do, we just put BR tag in between them, and then output what, this is the bold tag is single line, this is the italic tag in the second line. Okay, same thing, I want to break this, use the BR tag, we use the underline, this is underline tag example, just ending tag with U, and save again and refresh this page again. What is output here? This is underline tag example. Okay, same for underline. Then for small tag, this is small tag example. Okay, here look, small tag example. I copy all things and just paste here and change the tag name, that is small to big, small to big. Okay, small to big. How it looked at, this is small tag example, just use the BR tag to separate the two lines for small and big. Here you go, this is small tag example, this is the big tag. Small tag just change the word big. Okay, okay, suppose I want to use for strike tag, same copy paste, just change the tag name, strike, strike, STRIK. Here look, this is the strike tag. Okay, superscript, write a paragraph, this is paragraph for the superscript. Okay, so I want to use the superscript tag before the paragraph, after the paragraph make it superscript of the word. How it's show in output, here look, I save this file again and refresh this page. Okay, here look, this is the paragraph for the superscript. Paragraph what, sorry, I write subscript, here I write in superscript instead of subscript. Here look, it's look like superscript, paragraphs looks like a superscript of this line. Okay, same for the what, subscript. Okay, the word should be below the line. Use the break statement or break tag. Okay, here you go and refresh this page again, and same paragraphs below this word, this is called the superscript, this is called the subscript. Okay, so here I have already covered the bold tag, italic tag, underline tags. superscript, subscript, strikes, and small and big. Okay, and this is practical of this formatting tag and horizontal rule tag and break statement tag. Okay, before wrap up this video, I would like to request all of you kindly practice this sessions video. If you have any issue or any doubt, please comment here. I definitely reply back you. Thank you all.